Wrapping up the 4-day exhibition, Quoc Duy is proud to have welcomed thousands of visitors, as well as domestic and international businesses, to explore our cutting-edge technologies, machinery, and advanced manufacturing solutions for the woodworking and metalworking industries. Every business faces its own unique manufacturing challenges. With a deep understanding of our customers' actual needs, combined with a highly experienced team of consultants, Quoc Duy does more than just supply machinery. We partner with you to build tailored solutions that optimize investment efficiency, enhance production capacity, and sharpen your competitive edge. Here, Quoc Duy made a powerful impression with a series of breakthrough top-tier woodworking technologies, such as 5-axis CNC 3D machining technology, comprehensive veneer production solutions, and automated CNC nesting lines, fully integrated in just one touch to optimize labor costs. Furthermore, our laser edge banding technology, combined with PUR glue, delivers a flawless, no-line finish. Furthermore, Quoc Duy's HEMAG brand also asserts its leading position in the sheet metal sector with an ecosystem of ultra-fast sheet and tube laser cutting machines, laser welding, and rust removal systems, creating one of the most comprehensive fabrication complexes. Every piece of equipment supplied by Quoc Duy is meticulously researched and built with high-quality components, ensuring absolute precision, stable operation, and exceptional durability in industrial production environments. Beyond quality machinery, Quoc Duy boasts a highly experienced team of engineers and technical experts, walking alongside customers from consultation, installation, and technology transfer to operational training. Together with our fast and professional warranty, maintenance, and technical support services, we are committed to bringing peace of mind and sustainable operational efficiency to every business. Quoc Duy would like to express our deepest gratitude to our valued customers and partners for your trust, companionship, and for visiting our booth. Your support is the driving force for us to constantly innovate. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you again on our next journeys of technological breakthroughs.